Speaker sir, it is very important issue. Speaker sir, fear and anxiety in the minds of the parents when they go to Mapsa to pick their children up or Panjim in the city limits. They go on the bike to pick their children. Yesterday there was a fatal accident and one lady from Nagwa with a small child, they stay at, after marriage they are staying at Saligaon. Small child of 3 years old died. The vehicle which banged them was belonging to PWD, a very old vehicle, GA Notary R1098, Ashok Leyland, older truck. The city limits on oscillate truck or any other truck of construction material, especially between 8 a.m. to 1 o'clock, is allowed or not allowed? Speaker sir, I am talking over here because so many parents are going to pick their children, small children who are going to the school. They are going for market, they are going for some work. And within the city limits, this accident has taken place. Two people have lost their lives. So, I request the Honorable Chief Minister to speak to the traffic cell, RTO and also to the municipality of Mapsa to put up boards that these particular trucks of this size are not allowed from these timings. Because fatal accident जाऊंक शकता, लोक मरूंक शकता, काल दोग जाण मेले. माझा request Honorable Chief Minister, so that people who are riding bikes or driving cars also drive safely.